a sensitive part of the body, isn't it?
It's right over the hips, so it hurts a lot.
Good choice. Is that your only tattoo?
No, I have some more.
Okay. What are your other tattoos?
I have a red skull tattoo and
A rascal tattoo?
red skull.
A rat skull. Okay, got it. What is the symbolic meaning of the rat skull?
I have a weird obsession with dead animals.
So nice to meet you. And the semicolon, which I understand the meaning of and love and respect that tattoo. Thank you. Very nice to meet you. Bye. Okay. I really nailed the animal sacrifice thing, didn't I? I don't know how I intuited that. Is that a gun?